I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making smashed potatoes in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, we need small potatoes, no need to peel them, and I already washed them before making the video. And we need olive oil or any kind of vegetable oil. And for the seasonings, I'm using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. And you can use yellow small potatoes or red small potatoes, it doesn't matter what kind. So before making smashed potatoes, we need to pre-cook the potatoes. And you can pre-cook them by the method of your choice. For the easiest ways, you can just microwave it until tender, or you can just cook them in the air fryer. And the air fryer is gonna take a little longer, but then this way everything is done in one air fryer. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So I'm going to pre-cook them in the air fryer before smashing them. So just put the small potatoes in the air fryer basket. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 20 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take out the cooked small potatoes. And you can always make sure they're fully cooked by piercing with a fork and making sure they're tender. So if they're not fully cooked, then you can cook them some more. But they are fully cooked, so I'm just going to transfer them to the flat surface. So you can use a cutting board or you can use a plate, like I'm just using 2 plates here. And now, once you transfer them, let's smash them. So you can just use any cup. I'm using a mason jar and just flatten them. So that's why they're called smashed potatoes, because we're actually smashing them. And now once you smash the potatoes, it's time to season them. So we're going to coat them with oil and seasonings on both sides. So I'm just going to pour a little olive oil here and brush them with olive oil. And oil helps them get more crispy and more brown. And you can use melted butter or any kind of oil if you like. And now let's sprinkle the seasonings. So here I'm using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. And now let's flip each potato over and season the other side. So again, I'm going to brush with oil. and sprinkle the seasoning. So again, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. So now the potatoes are perfectly seasoned, and let's put them back in the air fryer and let them crisp up in the air fryer. So it'll be crispy smashed potatoes. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these smashed potatoes. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now let's take them out of the air fryer. And hear how crispy they are. Perfect. Air frying just makes the skin so crispy. Looks so good. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying them. I love smashed potatoes. Let me just cut it to show you. So inside they're so fluffy and tender and perfectly cooked, and the skin is so nicely browned and crispy. Let's try it. They're so delicious, so tender and fluffy inside with a perfect texture, with a crispy skin and perfectly seasoned. Air fryer is the best way to make smashed potatoes, and it's so easy. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!